Resonance Systems' product philosophy is one that leverages modular solutions that can perform multiple functions, keeping the hardware and software platform consistent for our end users.
So, what, exactly, do we mean by modular? As we all know, industry is full of rotating equipment, reciprocating equipment, and piping, all of which is part of a regular performance and condition monitoring program. It is standard practice to have equipment analysts collect data in the field using a portable analyzer to measure vibration, ultrasonic, temperature, and other data parameters that a software package will use to aid the analyst in decision making. After the analyst runs all the planned routes, the data is now trapped on the analyzer. The analyst then makes his or her way back to the location where the PC resides that contains the licensed copy of software. The analyst then uploads the data from the analyzer to the PC and is able to analyze the data. The data is now stranded on the single dedicated PC. Some equipment may be chosen for continuous performance and/or condition monitoring. In this case, traditionally sensors are permanently mounted on the machine and sensor wires are pulled through conduit to a safe room where a rack-mounted monitoring system is installed. This monitoring system will be completely different electronics and configured using separate software from that of the portable system. In this case, the data collected will reside on a control room server and will be stored in a separate database and displayed on a separate tree from that of the portable data. Resonance Systems solutions are powerful and yet easy to use. We have made sure that the same hardware and software is used throughout our platform to make the user's life easier. To collect data on a portable route, the user will need a tablet or smartphone, a lens, and a pulse, along with either an encoder or once per turn sensor such as a magnetic pickup if the user is collecting phase data. Add in sensors and collect your route. Once the data is collected, it is uploaded to the cloud where it is safely backed up and immediately available to anyone on your team that you wish to have access. To collect temporary continuous data, the user will need a tablet or smartphone to do the setup, a lens, which will be left in the field, and a pulse along with either an encoder or once per turn sensor such as a magnetic pickup if the user is collecting phase data. Place the sensors and hit continuous mode. The data will be continuously visible and immediately available to anyone on your team that you wish to have access. To set up a permanent continuous monitoring system, the user will need the following: a tablet or smartphone to do the setup, a vital eye, which contains a lens, a 24-volt power supply, and routing electronics. Prisms will be used to collect local sensor data and route it to the Vital Eye cabinet via easy-to-use color-coded cables. If the user is collecting phase data once per turn, a sensor such as a magnetic pickup is needed. Add in sensors as required. The data will be continuously visible and immediately available to anyone on your team that you wish to have access. At Resonance Systems, we are committed to our 4 principal values which compelled us to go into business to serve condition and performance monitoring professionals. As one of these founding principles, our product philosophy of flexible modular solutions is a differentiator found at no other company. Contact us today at sales@resonance.systems or call us at 865-248-2453.